Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable automatic translation for your Messenger messages. Just stick around until the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Have you ever tried to message someone who speaks a different language and found yourself struggling with a language barrier? Well, the auto-translate feature in Messenger is here to help. By setting up your keyboard, you can automatically translate your messages into your recipient's preferred language. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in, navigate to the individual or group chat where you want to enable auto-translation. Tap on the chat to open it. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the text box where you can type your messages. Tap on the text box to bring up your keyboard. Now, to enable the auto-translate feature, look for a small settings icon in the top row of your keyboard and tap on it. In the keyboard settings menu, you'll find various options. Look for the languages option and tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an Add Keyboard button. Tap it to choose the language you want to translate your messages into, whether it's Spanish, French, or any other language. Select the one you wish to use, then tap Done to confirm. Now, go back to your chat by tapping the back button and tap on the text box again to bring up the keyboard. This time, look for a menu icon on the keyboard and tap on it. In the keyboard menu, find the Translate option and select it. You can then choose the specific languages for translation. Select the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. Now, type your message in your language and watch how it automatically translates into the selected language. Once you're happy with your message, simply tap the send button. With these easy steps, you can now communicate effortlessly, no matter the language barrier. So go ahead, connect with friends, family, and colleagues from around the world, and let the power of auto-translation make your conversation seamless. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below.